it is another type of sets which require a comparison type of thing for the set to be named. Okay, so if there is a set A 4. Okay, this is set A, and the second set is B. So here we have set A and set B. So here set A is the subset of set A. That means it is set B. Set A is subset of set B. That means set A is the part of set B. When I am saying that set A is the part of set B, so it means that if we choose some random elements 4, 8, 12, 16 and form its set, it is set A in our example, and when we form its set, then it is called as subset of B because the elements are chosen from this set. All the elements of this set is from the elements which is chosen from set B. Okay, like set A is a part of set B. If we choose some elements, some more other elements from set B like 2, 6, 8, 10, then this is also a subset of B because all its elements are in set B. None of its element is that which is not coming under set B. Understood? So for subset there should be at least 2 sets to be present there. If it is a set A, let's name this set as set C. Okay, so these 2 sets are the subsets of B because there all the elements are coming from set B. No element is such that it is not in set B.